Hello, my name is Wedge Oldham. I'm a software engineer here at ARC Machines. This year represents my 34th anniversary with this company. We've been around since 1976. Over the years, we've created some great systems like the 227 pipe welding power supply or the 207 tube welding power supply. Both of these became workhorses in the orbital welding industry, and we became the leader in semiconductor fabrication plants and welding some of the most critical applications for aircraft carriers and submarines, becoming the industry standard for boiler pipes and fossil fuel power plants. AMI steps up the space industry applications, building a VP-VP system to weld aluminum fuel tanks. And overall, creating the best-selling power supplies in the history of orbital welding. But we didn't stop there. Let me show you what we've been working on. This is the Model 317, representing the next generation in orbital welding technology. Designed and developed by welders for welders. We merged 40 years of automated welding expertise with the most modern controls and interface technology. With the 317, our main goal was to make pipe welding easy and fun, an unrivaled user experience. Model 317 is a 100% duty cycle power supply. It provides the highest power to weight ratio in the industry, contains a modern touchscreen which improves performance and increases production efficiency, utilizes automated pipe schedule generation algorithms. It is vision system enabled. It contains weld cloud and orbital analytics, collects, stores, and manages data files locally or in the cloud, and contains advanced orbital analytics to maximize performance. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.